The Gemara says that the Mishnah says in Chulin the dorso if a bird was dorso toife b'koisel and it was shochta meis la'is, it's kshera, but nevertheless it needs bedika. So the Gemara declares, what's the halacha on if in such a situation that needs a bedika, has a raiosa and needs a bedika for treifus? Could you shecht the bird on yontif? Mi mechaskinon raiosa b'yontif, or mi mechaskinon? There's a tremendous machlokes. We're showing them how we paskin if you choishish and you're allowed to shecht a behemoth that's no raiosa on yontif or not. The Shechita paskins that's mutter to shecht, however, the Dakim Moshe and many poskim, and we show them how you can't shecht or if there was no raiosa. The Magen Avraham, it has, and all many other choinim paskin, they have to be choishish for the machmirim. The Mishmur says that's only by a sofik medina. However, a sofik, it's a minig, that's a chumrah, you're allowed to shecht. However, the Mishmur says that the minig is we don't shecht any behemoth, even if it's not nilud b'reisa on yontif. However, bird, or if we do shecht on yontif, and the Mishmur says according to what we pass in Yeridea, that will not be key in all the treifus of all the ivorim. So it's not negay, we can't check regard, and we could be saying that's kosher. The Pri Megadim has a tremendous kash on the sugi. He says, what's that tzadi can't shecht or if there was no beraira on yontif, although there's a tzadi not to be able to eat a bosor if it's named to be treifa, but hamiyas it should be mutter to shecht because of bitoich shehutcha shechita l'tzoyich eichel nefesh. It's mutter afilish l'tzoyich eichel nefesh as long as there is a tzoyich tzas, and there is a tzoyich tzas, because since there's a tzad that's mutter to eat, that's at least a tzoyich tzas. So Pri Megadim says mash from here that you don't see mituich by all malachas, only by Yitzhak and Havara, and he proves it from the similar kash in the yes and sugya and Avchavhei. By Bemheim Zukenes, why do you need a kazayis bosa in order to enable the shechita? Even without a kazayis bosa, it should be able to mituich. Since Akorch you see by shechita, you don't see mituich. To answer this kash is two other mahalchim and achronim. I'm the sefer Mibina that says that the only time you can see mituich is if the malacha that you're doing is mitzayich hayoim, the hamiyas you have a tainig and a simcha on yontif from the asiyas malacha. So then the malacha is considered a malacha seichel nefesh, and it's not a malacha avodah, like the Ramban explains ala Torah, that the heter of malacha seichel nefesh is because it doesn't have the status of malacha avodah. Ein Shum Shabbos Chavdal mentioned by Riches from Sefer Maneschen, it's mavur that the head of Tzeichel Nefesh is because it has a din of Melecha Tzeichel Nefesh and it's not Melecha Avodah. So over here, since the Shechita is for a goy or for behemoth after yontif, so therefore the Chashivas of the Shechita is not for Melecha Tzeichel Nefesh of today. So therefore, it's also doesn't have a head to mitoich. Ein shagas aye that as a riches, what's the halacha? In his day it was very common to find a treifa is a mutter to shecht on yontiv b'mokum that shechita treifas. So shagas aye brings from the Ran that says we paskin our sofik l'chumra because sveka deraisa l'chumra, and the shagas aye is matmi on the Ran. How could it be that we paskin in our sofik l'chumra because sveka deraisa l'chumra if it's a sofik deraisa? So what's the tzad in the Gemara that you're not choishish for a raiosa? Why don't we have to be choishish for a raiosa? The issa to shech the treif on yontif is a issa deraisa, so why we don't have to be choishish for a sofik deraisa? On that the Shechita says Akorch, you see that the whole chiyav bedika for treifas is only midabanan and deraisa. We're not choishish for treifas, so therefore by a sofik of treifas, which is ikel and mikam and milsa, we could be boidik after the shechita b'chagav nechazal m'chayiv or bedika, however on shechita v'yontif that's efshal mikam and milsa, you can't be boidik before the shechita b'chagav nechazal or m'chayiv bedika b'chlal. So according to Shagzai, it's Moshe of the Pri Megadim's kasha. The whole suffix of Gemara is only a suffix the gabi d'rabanan if there's a chiyav bedika d'rabanan. Einer goes from Jimchovsky Shlita on Nushagas Aryeh that brings from Oil Moshe, from Elazar Moshe Horowitz, that answers the Shagis Ari's kasha, that the reason why we're not choshesh for treifa is, even though it's a suffix treifa of Hamis, it's mutter to Shechita and Yontif, because the fact is it's sad that it's mutter, that's considered a malachal tzorich nefesh, even though it's not a vade, that you'll be able to eat the basta of Hamis. The fact is it's sad you're able to eat the basta is considered a malachal tzorich nefesh. And so we'll look at Yontif, Abuchanan, Ayin Sham. However, the Shagis Ari is more that a suffix tzorich nefesh is not considered a tzorich nefesh, and emes Shagis Ari in Simkov Zayin, they brought in the Shurim and Shabbos Daf Chavdalid, is Mechir from Tosis in Chulin that a suffix tzorich nefesh is not considered a heter of tzorich nefesh, need a vandai, that this malacha will bring tzorich nefesh to have it heter of tzorich nefesh. And Ayin Sham and Shurim and Shabbos, they explain the Bira Dvorim. Ayin Sham Zalman and Mechashleim over here explains that although ordinarily a suffix tzorich nefesh is enough to mata malacha on Yontif, over here it's worse, because since it's a suffix l'sha'avar, if there's a treifa, there already is a treifa, so therefore the Beitzah Shechita has a din like a suffix tzorich. However, if you're cooking, not sure you'll end up eating it, that cooking is considered a bishul tzorich nefesh, even though you may not end up eating the food you're cooking. Moving further, the Gemara says that the one that put the pot in the fire is Oivim Mishum Malacha. On Yontif, the Gemara says, Mike Ovid, the Gemara says, the answer is that it's a bikdaira chadasha, and he's masaking the pot by putting on the fire. Tosis says that specifically talking about he put it on when it was empty, therefore he's masaking the pot by putting on the fire. However, the Rosh says even if the pot has food in it, nevertheless you're masaking it when you're putting it on the fire. It's a tremendous kasha in the sugya. Why is it considered a malachas makabeh patish when you put the pot on the fire? As a vor in Rashi, in Shabbos Daf Ayin Dalar Beis, the makabeh patish is only when the tikun is nigmar through your ma'asiv itself. However, if it takes time to cook in the oven and be mesuk in the oven, b'chagav there's no chiyuv of makabeh patish over here. Also, why is it considered malachas makabeh patish? The Emibin, which mentioned Shirin on the Flamin Beis, asked from our sugya on the chiddush of the Magen Avraham that says you say hoyel v'ishtri, and if you have a heter to make a fire and to do the melechas havor tzorich nefesh, who then is mut to the melechas soisu tzorich nefesh, because hoyel v'ishtri. So the Emibin asked if that's the case, according to the Rosh that we're talking about, that even if the pot has food in it and you could put the food on the fire because it's considered a melechas tzorich nefesh, so who didn't be mut the melacha of being mesak in the pot as well? So the Rebbeinu says over here it's different, that the bishul's in the food and the tikun's in the pot, and they're not sheikhah. You can't say hoyel v'ishtri. Moving further on, the Mishnah says, "V'oidam b'laza oimer oimed adam ala bmuktza erev Shabbos v'shvius v'oimer mikani oichel amachar v'chachamim oimer ad sheyirshem." Rashi says that the chum hold you have to be roishim is because they hold ein Beraira. To Beis Yosef is matmiya. On that, the Rambam hold paskins like chachamim that you need to be roishim. The issa bmuktza is issa d'Rabbanan. We paskin that but issa d'Rabbanan yesh Beraira. I'm Shlomo the Esa Rashi that we shouldn't paskin like chachamim because we could paskin d'Rabbanan in Beraira, and so we should paskin like the Rabbi. I'm the Beis Meir that says the answer to this kasha is that we hold d'Rabbanan yesh Beraira is because suffix d'Rabbanan l'kula, and Beraira is a suffix so b'raiosa you call the chumah. However, d'Rabbanan the halacha is suffix d'Rabbanan l'kula, so therefore d'Rabbanan we paskin yesh Beraira. So Beis Meir says that since the suffix bmuktza is davar sheish l'matirin, you don't say suffix d'Rabbanan l'kula. And he says another teretz, even if you say that's midin vade according to what's moving to his shonim daf gimel base, the bmuktza is kein raiosa, so therefore it has a halacha of a sveika raiosa. You don't say sveika d'Rabbanan l'kula, and therefore you won't say by bmuktza that b'Rabbanan yesh Beraira. Ein shir even daf lam zayin They brought from the stapler that says that this Shaila, if B'dabon you could say Yesh Beraira because Safek Dabon Makula is totally in the Chakira. If that ain't Beraira, is that not the chalis is not chal b'chlal, well the chalis is chal and you can't be making malel and milsa. So if you say that it's chal, you can't make malel on it, so it's asi hativ. That b'dabonon, you say yesh b'reira because it's the suffix that monakula. However, if the chalis is not chal b'chlal, so it's makom d'rabonon. You won't say the chalis is chal. Va'ayin sham.